Redmi 9A or 9C incoming call problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now all you have to do is here go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and see the option of connection and sharing. So just tap on that and scroll down a little bit and tap on reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. You can see the option of reset settings at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on that and a little pop-up will appear over here. That it might take several seconds, so just you have to be patient. So tap on OK and wait for a while until it gets uploaded. Now after the network settings has been reset, we're gonna go back to the settings of this device only and then scroll down and tap on apps, select on manage apps. Now scroll down and you can look for your application of contacts, or you can just search on the search bar by typing on contacts. So just tap on the application of contacts and then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on that and clear cache, select on OK, and if you can also delete all data and your problem might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.